Hello friends, this is Gazé Darren. In this short video, I'll work on weight-based medication problems as part of the dosage calculation series of videos I'm doing. I hope you'll be helpful to guide you in your preparation for your exams and your journey to be a safe registered nurse. If you want to review the video on the general ideas of dosage calculation, I have the link up here. Now let's do two weight-based medication calculations. The doctor has ordered 22 milligram per kilogram per day. The patient's weight is 150 pounds. The capsule is available in 500 milligram. The question is how much milligram and capsules the patient gets per day. Here it's asking how much milligram the patient gets per day and how many capsules the patient gets per day. Here it's easy, but sometimes he will trick you, like here the order the doctor said is per day, but he might ask you per dosage, and it will give you like how many times the patient gets the medication per day, like it says 3 times a day or 4 times a day or every 4 hours. Then it will ask you to calculate for the dosage. Now it's asking us for milligram. That's how we should set it up. Then we know the order is 22 milligram per kg. Times we have the patient's weight in pound, so we have to convert from kilogram format to the pound format. So we'll set it up, we'll multiply this by 1 kg divided by 2.2 lb. Now we have this pound multiplied by 150 lb. Now we'll get rid of kilogram by kilogram. We'll also get rid of pound by pound. So now we are left with only with milligram. We only multiply the numbers and divide it. So that would be our answer. 22 times 150, 3,300 divided by 2.2, that's 1,500 milligram per day. We have solved one, and we know the capsule is available in 500 milligram. So now to answer the second question, caps, that's what we are asked, how many capsules he will get. We know one cap is 500 milligram and the order is for 1,500 milligram. Now we'll get rid of milligram by milligram and we will divide 1,500 with 500. We will have 3 caps. That would be our answer. Second, weight-based medication calculation. The physician ordered Litostat 120 milligram per kilogram every 6 hours. This is what I was mentioning earlier. This is the order. Patient weighs 110 pounds. The pharmacy delivered Litostat with 200 milligram per milliliter. How many milliliter to be administered per dose and per day? The question is for milliliter. So we know we have milliliters, that's what we are asked, and we know the medication is available in 1 milliliter divided by 250 mg. Okay, we will set it up, we'll multiply this. We also have the order here. We'll set it up in a way to help us to get rid of everything like milligram, kilogram, pound. We want to get rid of everything except the milliliters that we want our answer to be. So we'll have 120 milligram on top so that we get rid of the milligram down here. 120 milligram divided by kg. We also want to get rid of the kilogram sign. To do that, we have our weight here 110 pound, so we have to convert from kilogram to pound. So to help us with that, we'll start 1 kilogram is divided by 2.2 lb, so we are able to kill these two, and we have our weight 110 lb. We'll get rid of pound, we'll get rid of kilogram, we'll get rid of milligram. Now we are left with milliliter. Now we will just multiply the numbers. 120 multiplied by 110 13,200. 250 multiplied by 2.2 550. To divide, the patient gets 24 milliliter per dose. Okay, this is per dose because our calculation here gives us every 6 hours. This is what we know, every 6 hours. So the milliliter is 24 ml per dose. Okay, we know the order is every 6 hours. So every 6 hours means the patient gets the medication. We have like 24 hours, and if the order is every 6 hours, that means the patient is going to get the medication 4 times. So we have the medication here, 24 ml times 4 is equal to 96 ml per day. Okay, two things you have to pay attention. First, in weight-based medication, conversion from pound to kilogram is very essential. So you have to always memorize the conversion rate from 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram is 2.2 lb. You have to memorize. Like and subscribe to make it accessible to our fellow students and nurses. Thank you.